Find the value of sin 15 degree. For this we will use here trigonometric ratios of compound angles. For that I will write here first sin 15 degree is equal to sin bracket 45 degree minus 30 degree. For this we will use here trigonometric ratios of compound angles, that is sin, according to this sin bracket a minus b is equal to sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. Now here a is equal to 45 degree and b is equal to 30 degree. Therefore sin 15 degree is equal to, instead of a we write 45 degree. Sin 45 degree into cos 30 degree means value of b minus cos 45 degree into sin 30 degree. Therefore sin 15 degree is equal to value of sin 45 degree from table, that is 1 upon root 2, into cos 30 from table root 3 upon 2 minus cos 45 degree value from table, that is 1 upon root 2, into value of sin 30, that is 1 upon 2. Therefore we write here denominators 2 root 2 and here also denominator 2 root 2 means denominators are equal. So I will write single time this denominator, that is 2 root 2, and here 1 into root 3 means root 3 minus 1 into 1 1. This is the value of sin 15 degree by using trigonometric ratios of compound angles. The value is root 3 sin 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root